Thanks for joining us today. We're going to unbox the Apple M1 16-inch MacBook Pro. Let's get right to it. Nice looking box here. As always, a really heavy duty lid and casing. Nice MagSafe adapter, nice quality braided cable. The new improved power adapter, 140 watts of pure blazing speed. Last year I unboxed one of the 2020 MacBook Pros, and this one feels considerably different. The edges are different, the surface itself feels different, and just the overall form factor. The automatic startup, you just have to love that. This MacBook Pro is faster than ever. With a 10-core CPU, it delivers approximately 2 times faster performance. The GPU has been improved as well. The 16 cores is fantastic for graphic-heavy applications. The 16-core neural engine is 5 times faster at machine learning processes. The M1 MacBook Pro starts at 16 gigabytes of RAM and goes all the way up to 64 gigs. The hard drives start at 500 gigabytes and go all the way up to 8 terabytes. This MacBook has a stunning 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with extreme dynamic range and contrast ratio. The screen resolution is hard to believe, 3456 by 2234. It is absolutely gorgeous. This MacBook did step up to a 1080p webcam, huge improvement. This MacBook uses a 6-speaker sound system with force-canceling woofers. This is the tastiest bass in a laptop to date. The microphone sounds fantastic. By blending 3 microphones, it produces nearly studio-quality audio. This laptop comes with a backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and next-generation Wi-Fi 6. You have 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, a headphone jack, and the MagSafe 3 charging port. It comes in space gray or silver. As far as dimensions go, it's 2/3 of an inch tall, 14 inches wide, and 10 inches deep. This model comes in both a 14-inch and 16-inch version. The 16-inch weighs 4.7 pounds. The M1 MacBook Pro is a fantastic computer, whether for your home studio or professional applications. We appreciate you stopping by for this quick run-through on key features and specs. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.